Next then, let's have a look at the sales section of the EzyCourse platform. Lots of information you can get from the sales section. First of all, you've got all orders. Now this shows you all of the orders that have come through your site. You can see the total number of orders, the amount in value, how much you've had through various different payment processes, and you can see each of the individual sales written down here. You can filter by dates, product types, and that sort of thing. Now, in the pre-orders section, this is where you can actually sell a course that's not available till a date in the future. So let's say you're launching a course at the end of next month, you're still developing it, well, you can take pre-orders for that course so that people can buy the course before it's actually available. Purchase requests is where you've got a course that's restricted in some sort of way that you don't want to make available for general sale, and anybody that wants to buy it has to request to purchase that course. And then finally, in Magic Checkout, the Magic Checkout is a wonderful feature that allows a lot of data to be collected in terms of how effective your shopping cart page is, how many people hit your shopping cart. It tracks how many people order, how many people don't order, how many of those are new users, how many are existing users that are purchasing, and that sort of stuff. Really cool feature of the Magic Checkout is the fact that when a user puts in their email address, the system recognizes whether they have already got a user account or not, and detects that accordingly. So there's never a risk of duplicate accounts and that sort of thing. So yeah, in the sales section of the EzyCourse platform, you can get a lot of information about the sales that your site is making.